ॐ सहनाववतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। पठामि संस्कृतं नित्यं वदामि संस्कृतं सदा ध्यायामि संस्कृतं सम्यक् वन्दे संस्कृतमातरं वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। Up to guna vachana brahmanadibhyah karmani cha. Up to this sutra we have seen. This they did not give any sutra. In some shabdas, shay artha. Shay artha means what? Anybody remembers? Did we see this shay pratyaya?
Yes. Yes.
Shay pratyaya is used in which artha? Here it is given na bhava arth mein shay अर्थात यह प्रत्यय अंत में लगता है. भाव अर्थ is nothing but shay artha. Here shay artha means bhava artha. In the sense of bhava artha, ya or a will come. Ya means nya pratyaya. A means an pratyaya. I sent the picture. For a, whenever they have given a, that means an pratyaya. If you have not noticed, then you can look it in the group. A means an pratyaya. That is given in Bhagavad Gita Vyutpatti Kosha. Like bandhu is there. Bandhu becomes bandhavaha. You used an pratyaya. Bandhavaha, an pratyaya is used here. Bandhu, Rasva is there. It becomes dirgha. What happens? Why it becomes dirgha?
Vruddhi.
Vruddhi happens. Va. Rasva becomes dirgha. Next, in this ukara becomes okara. Then Echoyavayava has come. Bandhavaha. Bandhavaha means relatives. Prajna. Prajna becomes Pradnyaha. Rakshas becomes Rakshasaha. Karuna, Karunyam. This is which pratyaya?
Nya pratyaya.
Nya pratyaya. Chaturvarna becomes Chaturvarnyam. This is also Nya. Sena, Sainyam. Samipa, Samipyam. Triloka, Trilokyam. All are Nya pratyaya. Here Nya is there. Karunya, Chaturvarnya, Trailokya. Here na is not there. Why? It is nya pratyaya, right? Samipyam also na is not there. Sainyam na is there. In some places na is there. In some places na is not there. Why? That na is belongs to nya pratyaya or not?
They seem to be in the word itself, like Sena Sainya.
Huh. It is not belongs to that na is not belongs to nya. In nya, now already gets lopa. Ya will remain. That's why they have given only ya. What is remaining is ya. That is given. In an, a will remain. Na will get lopa. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Prutvadibhya imanichva. Actually, this niyama they have given separately. This niyama they have given separately, but this has come. This same niyama continues here also. Same sutra. Gunavachana brahmanadibhyaha karmani cha. That same sutra works here also. There is no separate niyama. Pritivyadibhya imanichva. Bhavaha asmin arthe पृथ्वादिगणस्य शब्देभ्यः षष्ठी समर्थेभ्यः विकल्पेन इमनिच् प्रत्ययः भवति. विकल्पेन means optionally. Imanich pratyaya will come when in the sense of bhava artha. To those shabdas it will come पृथ्वादि गणस्य शब्देभ्यः षष्ठी समर्थेभ्यः. Those shabdas belongs to पृथु आदि gana. पृथ्वादि gana, here they have given, these are the पृथ्वादि gana. For all these shabdas, shashti samarthebhyaha means it should belongs to sambandha, means it has to have some sambandha with something. And if it is bhava artha, then imanich pratyaya will come. Pruthoho bhavaha prathiman. Pruthoho bhavaha prathiman. Pruthu is the shabda. Imanich pratyaya we want. Imanich remains as iman. Ikara and chakara both will get lopa. Pruthu is there. In this pruthu, rukara will change into rakara by this sutra. Then prathu, iman. And this ukara will get lopa by this sutra. We are not going to look at the sutra, just how this word has formed. Prath plus iman, prathiman. Prathiman is the shabda. This is how mahiman. Mahima shabda, you remember?
Yes.
Mahiman is which pratyaya?
Imanich.
What could be the vigraha vakya for mahiman? Like Pruthu is the Shabda. What is the Vigraha Vakya here? Pruthoho bhavaha prathiman.
Mahataha bhavaha mahiman.
Yes. You see the Shabda here. Mahat Shabda is there. Like that, all Shabdas will get Imanich Pratyaya. Optionally. This sutra is clear?
Vigraha Vakya is not clear.
Vigraha. See, this
Bit more.
Pruthu is the Shabda. Pruthu should be in Shashti. Pruthoho bhavaha prathiman. Mahat is the Shabda. Mahat Shabda, Shashti Vibhakti, what will come? Bhagavat Shabda. It goes like Bhagavat. Bhagavataha. Mahataha. Mahataha bhavaha. Mahiman. Is it clear?
Clear.
Next is Panchamyas Tasil. All of you know, right? At least some of you know this Tasil Pratyaya. Yesterday it came, right?
Yes.
Huh.
Yes.
Panchamyaha Tasil. In the Artha of Panchami Vibhakti, Kim and all Sarvanama Shabdas will get Tasil Pratyaya. Yasmat. Yasmat is Panchami Artha. This Yasmat, Yat Shabda will get Yasmat Artha. In the sense of Yasmat Artha, Yat Shabda will get Tasil Pratyaya. Or we can take the Panchamyantebhyaha. So this is Panchamyanta Shabda. Yasmat is Panchamyanta Shabda. Then it will get Tasil Pratyaya. And this Panchami Pratyaya will get Lopa. Panchamyanta Pratyaya will get Lopa. Then Yat will remain. Thus, E and Lakara both will get Lopa. This Yat is there, that Dakara will be replaced by Akara by Tyadadi Namaha. Then Ato Gune, by this sutra, this Akara will get Takara. Pararupa, it gets Pararupa, means Akara will become Takara only. That way we can say Yataha. So even if you don't understand the Prakriya, Yataha, Tataha, Yasmat, in the sense of Yasmat, Yataha will come when we use Tasil Pratyaya. Tasmat, what will be the Tasil Pratyaya?
Tataha.
Kasmat,
Kataha.
there Kutaha will come.
There Kutaha will come.
Like that, there in each Shabda, in Prakriya, there are different sutras are there. So we have to just remember at the end, if Taha is there, then it is Panchami. Panchamyas Tasil Pratyaya. Tasil Pratyaya in the sense of Panchami Artha. Is it clear? Sarvasmat. Tasil Pratyaya. What happens?
Sarvataha.
Sarvataha. Like that. Bahu Shabda also will get Tasil Pratyaya. Bahu. What is the tasil pratyaya, if we do bahu,
Bahutah.
yes, bahutaha. That's all. This is Panchamyas tasil. Saptamyas tral. These sutras are very easy. Meaning is also easy. And we are familiar with the shabdas also. Yataha, tataha, kutaha. Saptamyas tral. In the sense of saptami, tral pratyaya will come. Same. Kim, sarvanama, bahubhyaha, all these shabdas will get tral pratyaya in the artha of saptami. Bahvi is there. Tral pratyaya. Bahvi is which vibhakti?
Saptami.
Saptami. That's why tral pratyaya has come. Bahu, bahvi, that saptami pratyaya will get lopa. What will remain is pratipadika will remain. Like here also, saptami pratyaya will get lopa. What will remain is pratipadika will remain when pratyaya gets lopa. Here also bahu will remain, which is pratipadika, and tral pratyaya. In tral, lakara will get lopa, bahutra. Anya. Anya, when we get tral pratyaya, anyasmin. Anyasmin, when it gets tral pratyaya, what will be the form?
Anyatra.
Kasmin.
Tatra.
Kasmin.
Sorry. Kutra.
Kutra.
Kutra, not katra, kutra. So, tasmin,
Tatra.
tatra. All these shabdas we are very familiar. So sutra we have to remember. And we also know that whenever tatra, kutra comes, it is saptami artha. Saptamyas tral pratyaya. We don't know that it is tral pratyaya. That's all. And one more point I will mention. Almost all these pratyayas, 80% pratyayas I know. What I don't know is, these are the Taddhita pratyaya that I don't know. I thought I have no idea about Taddhita pratyayas. When I see these pratyayas, all these pratyayas very familiar. Prakara vachane, this is clear, right? Saptamyastral.
Yes, but.
Prakara vachane thal pratyaya. This is not much familiar, I think. Words are familiar, but pratyaya is not used, heard much. Prakara vrittibhyaha kim adibhyaha thal syat swarte. Thal pratyaya will come. When kim adibhyaha means kim sarvanama shabdas and kim and all sarvanamadi shabdas. When in the sense of prakara vrittibhyaha. Prakara vritti means like types. When we say not types, like yatha means just as, tatha, yatha, tatha. In that sense, this thal pratyaya will come. I don't know how to say. Prakara vrittibhyaha. Can anyone give the English?
Like, just as, or like.
Okay. No other meaning is there, right?
Can also use kind, I think. Kind.
Kind.
Means similar to type. Yeah.
Yena. Okay, they have used tena prakarena tatha. by that method, just yatha tena prakarena tatha, just as by that method tatha, this also, like that. Yena and thal pratyaya is there. Yena, that tritiya vibhakti pratyaya will get lopa, and yat will remain. Ha, lakara will get lopa. Yatha, yatha will remain as yatha. This is clear, right? This just we can remember that yatha, thal pratyaya has come. So anyway, we know the meaning yatha, tatha when it comes, how to understand the vakya.
One question, Purnaji.
Hmm.
So here then, if there was a Vigraha Vakya to be done for Yatha, it would be Yena Prakarena Yatha? Is that how? Or is
Ha.
that...
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, thank you.
Tena prakarena tatha, yena prakarena yatha. By that, by which method? Sarva ekanya kim yat tadaha kale da. Sarva eka anya kim yat tad. Etesham saptami vibhakti antat काले अभिधेये दा इति प्रत्ययः स्वार्थे विधीयते. Da pratyaya will come when in the sense of time. In which vibhakti? Time will be in saptami vibhakti. In all these shabdas, sarva, eka, anya, kim, yat, tad, all these shabdas will get da pratyaya, saptami artha, kala artha. Kala, which is in saptami artha. Like sarvasmin kale iti eva. Sarvasmin kale. In all the time.
Period.
In all period or in all the time. Sarvasmin and kale. Kale artha da pratyaya has come. Sarva. Again this pratyaya. Saptamyartha pratyaya gets lopa. Sarva pratipadika will remain. And da pratyaya sarvada. Also, there is some sutra. Sarva will be replaced by only sa. Then sada. Sarvada, sada. All the times. Meaning is same. Sarvada means sarvasmin kale. Sarvada. This is the Vigrahavakya. We can write down in a table like for all Vigrahavakyas. One table is for Sutra, one table is for Pratyaya, another table is for Vigrahavakya. Means another column, not table. One column is for this and that, like that. Sarvada, sada. So that when we do practice, it will be easy. Whenever we say Sarvada, okay, what could be the Vigraha Vakya, Sarvasmin Kale? And again, like Tena Prakarena, Tatha. So when we go on looking at, it will be easy. If we don't remember. If we are remembering, then it is good.
So would kasmin kale kada? Is that?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you.
Tasmin Kale.
Tada.
Like that, everything. Sankhya vidharte dha. You all know, right? क्रियाप्रकारार्थे वर्तमानात् संख्याशब्दात् स्वार्थे धा स्यात्. But methods, how many methods are there? Only one method. How many methods are there? Only two methods. I mean, only is not including two methods, three methods, four methods, five methods. Like that, if we want to say, then dha pratyaya will come. It is only for sankhya shabda, not for anything. That's why sankhya vidharte dha. Ekena prakarena ekadha, by one method. Dvidha dvayoho prakarayoho, of the two methods. Like that, another vibhakti can be anything. Based on the meaning only, vibhakti will be there. Ekadha bhunkte, dvidha brute. Ekadha bhunkte means
Eating one meal.
eating one way.
One way. Okay.
This method, na? Prakara means method.
We did this, I think, in one of the other chapters before. There you had said eating once.
Eating once.
Mm.
Ekadha.
It is there in your, I think, niyama or under, right?
But if the Vigraha Vakya is Prakarena, then it has to be in that way.
Ekena prakarena means tasya bhavas tvatalo we have seen already.
Yes, we saw it yesterday. We did the definition of bhava.
This is not yesterday's. This is previous one.
Yeah, we had done it earlier in one of the earlier exercises.
Yes. Here it is there. In Ashtadhyayi they have given ekadha bhunkte means he eats once. Ekena prakarena. Dvidha gacchati, he goes twice.
It's Abhyasa 18, I think.
Tribihi prakaraihi tridha nayati. Okay, I will let you know this. Okay, that I will check and I will let you know. Pramane dvaya such. Any other doubt apart from that? Okay. Pramane dvaya such dagnai matrachaha. Pramanam iti asmin arthe prayujyamanaat prathama samarthat asya iti asmin arthe dvayasach dagnach tatha matrach pratyaha bhavanti. Just to say pramanam, they have given some explanation in Ashtadhyayi. River is there. If a person went into a river, so how much water is there? If he says and up to this knee water is there, so up to this knee, that means it's a pramanam. That is how they have given uru pramanasya, uru dvayam, uru dvayasam, uru dagnam, uru matram, tavan matram, up to that only. To give that specific measurement, in that sense, this dvayasach, dagnach, matrach, 3 pratyas will come. So dagnach pratyaya we have not seen, if I remember. I don't remember that we have seen that. Dvayasach we have seen, and matrach we have seen many times. Tavan matram, up to that only. That is a very familiar word, tavan matram. Is it clear?
So Uru is thigh, right? And
Yes.
Janu is knee. Is that right?
Yes, yes. Dvivachana vibhajyopapade tarabhiyasunau. द्वयोः एकः अतिशयेन प्रकृष्टः अस्ति. अस्मिन् सन्दर्भे तथा च केचन पदार्थाः okay, up to this सन्दर्भे स्वार्थे प्रातिपदिकात् स्वार्थे तरप्रत्ययः तथा इयसुन् प्रत्ययः भवति. द्वयोः एकः, in of 2 people, one person is excelled. Atishayena prakrishtaha means he is very good compared to that person.
Better.
Better. Asti. Asmin sandarbhe. In that case, this tarap pratyaya and iyasun pratyaya will come. Tarap and iyasun. Like example is guru and tarap. Guru tara. Guru means sreshta.
Gunaji, so Tara Pratyaya is used in the sense of comparison, or
Not comparison.
then, or just
2 people are there.
Hmm.
One person is
Better
have
than-
more knowledge.
uh,
Then in that case, tarap pratyaya will be used. Iyasun pratyaya also will be used.
so this is only between 2 people. It cannot be more
Yes.
than 2.
No, only 2 people.
Okay.
Actually, they have given the example better to see here. 5357. रामकृष्णयोः रामः गुरुतरः गरीयान् वा. Ramakrishnayoho. Rama and Krishna both are there. in both of them, Rama is best. That's why Ramaha Gurutaraha. Gurutaraha is indicating, it says best. Gariyan or Gariyan. Ramaha Gariyan. Tarap Pratyaya or Yasun Pratyaya, both will come. Guru and Tarap Pratyaya. When we add, there is no change. Just add. Pakara will get lopa by halantam. Guru and Iyasun, in this sense, Guru will change into Gar by this sutra. Priya, Sthira, Sphira, Uru, Bahula, Guru, Vruddha, Trupra, Dirgha, Vrindarakanam, Prastha, Spha, Varm, Bahi, Garvarshi, Draghi, Vrindaha. Iti Guru Shabdasya Gar Adeshaha Bhavati. So if you want to look at, you can look at this sutra. Many times Swamiji also mentioned that Guru becomes Gar and Iyas, Gariyas. Gariyas Shabda has formed. Gariyas, where it has come?
Bhaktireva Gariyasi.
Gariyase, yeah.
Okay, Inka, anywhere else? Guror Gariyase. Right? Gariyase or Gariyasi there?
Gariyasi.
Gariyase, I thought.
Okay. We'll look at. Atishayane Tamabishtanau. Where this sutra has come? In shloka. I will give the clue. Second shloka. In two places, one place Tika, we saw this. In one place, in shloka, we saw this. Okay, I will tell you the story. This Tama Pratyaya and Ishtan Pratyaya and all, they will search for the better person than Bhagwan Shankaracharya. They could not find anywhere, and they will come and sit. They will say Bhagwan Bhashyakara alone is the best.
Didn't it come in Naishkarma?
Yes, both are correct. Naishkarma Siddhi, second shloka. First chapter, second shloka. Do you remember the shloka?
I'm looking at it. Alabdva Tishayam Yasmat Vyavrityas Tamabadayaha. Gariyase Namastasma Avidya Granthi Bhedini.
Tamabadayaha. Tamap adayaha. Adi means Ishtan Pratyaya. Then in Sarva Vedanta Siddhanta Sara Sangraha. In Sarva Vedanta Siddhanta Sara Sangraha, introduction Tika, before first Mangalacharanam shloka, 2 paragraphs of Tika is there. In that Tika, Swamiji has mentioned this. That also you can look at. Same line, but Anvaya Swamiji has did in the Tika. With Anvaya, it has mentioned. Okay. Atishayane tamabishthanau. In this tamap and ishtan pratyas will come in many people, not of many people, one person is great. To indicate that person, this tamap pratyaya and ishtan pratyaya will come. Patutama means many of one. One person is patu means samarthya, has samarthya. One person has samarthya in all of them. Patishtha also same meaning. Guru tama. If it is tara pratyaya, guru tara. If it is tama pratyaya, guru tama. Ishtan pratyaya, garishtha. If it is iyasun pratyaya, gariyas. Is this clear? Group of people are there. 5 people are there. Rama, okay, 4 people are there. Rama, Lakshmana, Bharata and Shatrugna. In 4 of them, one person is Garishtha, means better. So we want to, how we can say, Rama, Lakshmana, Bharata, Shatrugnebhyaha. Shatrugnebhyaha, Panchami will come. Ramaha Garishtaha, Ramaha Gurutamaha, Ramaha Patishtaha, Ramaha Patutamaha, like that. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes, Purnati.
Ajadi Gunavachanat Eva. Leave it this sudra. Ajadi Gunavachanat Eva. Tehe. Tehe, this sutra, actually it requires some other explanation also, but I am not giving this vritti explanation, but I will explain what does it mean. Here, patu is there, ishtan is there. This ukara is called T bhaga. Tehe, by this sutra, that T bhaga is getting lopa. What is T bhaga is ukara. That ukara is getting lopa. That's what it says. That's why pat plus ishtan, patishtha. Nakara gets lopa. Patishtha. Have you understood that sutra? Or explanation? Otherwise, I will write here.
Could you say that one more time? Please?
Okay. This patu is there, na? This patu is but plus U. This Ukara is called T Bhaga. It gets T Sanya. Whatever is T Sanya, it gets Lopa. Ishtha Nakara gets Lopa. It will remain as Ishtha. And by this Tehe Sutra, this T Bhaga Ukara will get Lopa. Then what will remain? What will remain in that?
Patishta.
Pat plus Ishtha. Then Patishtha. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
This Tehe Sutra says T Bhaga will get Lopa. This, what is T Bhaga is? This Ukara is T Bhaga. That will get Lopa. So, more explanation we'll see later. Next, Sthula, Dura, Yuva, Hrasva, Kshipra, Kshudranam, Yanadi Param Purvasya cha Gunaha. Sthula, Dura, Yuva, Hrasva, Kshipra, Kshudra iti etesham Yanadi Param Lupyate. Ishtam Eyaha Su Parataha Purvasya cha Gunaha Bhavati. We'll take one example here. Sthula is there plus Ishtan Pratyaya is there. Ishtan Pratyaya will remain as Ishtha only. Sthula Durakshad iti etesham Yanadi Param Lupyate. What is the yan in this?
La.
The U.
Yan is Yavara La. Right?
Yes.
This La will get Lopa. When La will get Lopa, what will remain?
Stho.
Pu plus Ishtha will remain. This U plus E, which sandhi happens here?
Stista. Stista. Stista.
No, which sandhi?
Yana Sandhi.
Yan sandhi happens. Yan sandhi, when it happens, like stha is there. Stha is there. U will get U will be replaced by, if it is Yana,
Wow.
Va.
Va. Not Ava, only Va. Ava in Echoiva. Sthavishtha. akara must be some sutra could be there. Because of that, there could be some akara will come. So we'll just keep it as thavishta. Lakara will get lopa. Ishtam eyaha suparataha. After su there is ishtha. Purvasya cha gunaha bhavati. Oh, sorry. Lakara will get lopa. Then tu plus ishtha. Then this purvasya cha. Purva is ukara. Ukara will get guna. Ukara will get guna means what? Ukara will get guna. What will come?
Okar.
Okara. Sto. Sto plus ishtha. Then okara following ikara. Which sandhi has come here? Has to come. Which sandhi should come there?
Echovavaiva.
Echoyavayavaha. In the place of O, what will come?
Ava.
Ava will come. Ishtha. Now stavishta. Yes. So this purva letter will get guna. In these two karyas are happening. This yana letter are getting lopa. And ishtan pratyaya is coming. Then this purva letter will get guna. These three things we have to remember. In all these shabdas, sthula, dura, yuva, hrasva, kshipra, kshudra, iti etesham, yanadiparam lupyate. In all this, whatever yan letter is there, that yan will get lopa. And it will get ishtam eyaha suparataha. After, in the place of su, this ishtan pratyaya will come. Not in the place of su. Ishtan pratyaya will come. And yes, eyaha means yes. Yesun pratyaya also will come. Then guna also will happen. These three things. Is it clear? Yan letter will get lopa, 1 point. Ishtan pratyaya will come, 2nd point. This purva letter will get guna. These three things are happening. It is just to make a form. It is explaining the prakriya only. Sthula shabda, when ishtan pratyaya gets, it becomes thavishta. What are the niyamas? That ilaka yan will get lopa and purva shabda will get guna. That's all. Next one is also, oh, they have given this sutra is also. Priya, Sthira, Sphira, Uru, Bahula, Guru, Vruddha, Trupra, Dirgha, Vrindarakanam, Prastha, Spha, this could be some 64157. Var Bamhi. Okay, Var Bamhi. If we look at here, it will be easy. This Priya, Sthira, Sphira, Uru, Bahula, Guru, Vruddha, Trupra, Dirgha, Vrindarakanam. All these shabdas will be replaced by Prastha. Priya will be replaced by Pra. Sthira will be replaced by Stha. Sphira will be replaced by Spha. Uru replaced by Var. Bahula by Bamhi. Guru by Gar. Vruddha, Varshi. Trup, Trup. Trupra becomes Trup. Dirgha, Draghi. Draghi Shabda. Did we say? Vrinda becomes Vrinda. This Draghi also, Dirgha becomes Draghi. Draghi Yase, I think this has come in Ishkarima Siddhi. This will be replaced when Ishtha, Imanich Pratyaya, Iyasun Pratyaya. When these Pratyas are used, Priya will be replaced by Pra, like that. What happens if we replace like that? All Shabdas has given. You can look at there. How form has come. Is this sutra clear? Priya will be replaced by what?
Pra.
Priya will be replaced by Pra. Pra plus Ishtan Pratyaya is there. Ishtan Pratyaya. Pra plus Ishtan. What becomes?
Preshta.
Preshta. Nakara will get lopa. Plus E will get guna preshta. Like that, the rupa will come. These all sutras are, there is no other meaning. It is just for the rupa prakriya, rupa siddhi, is it? To make a form. In this before sutra also, sthula, dura, yuva, and this priya, sthira, sphira, all these are just for rupa prakriya. Sthira also stheshtaha. Sthira becomes stheshtaha. Why stheshtaha? Stha. Priya, sthira will be replaced by stha. When stha plus ishtaha, stheshtaha. Like that, all the forms will come. Sorry, I'm going back. Prithvadibhya imanichva. They have given some examples. Laghima, Garima, Mahima, Mradima, Anima. So this we know. Laghima, Anima. Did I explain this sutra? Imanich? Today second niyama is this only. Prathiman example we have taken, but Prathiman is not familiar. Mahiman also we have done. Here they have given Anima, Garima, Laghima. All these are what?
Siddhi, Ashtasiddhis.
Ashtasiddhis. So these are familiar for us. So here Imanich Pratyaya has come. Laghiman is the Pratipadika. Laghima is Prathama Ekavachanam. Like that, Garima, Gariman, Mahiman, Mradiman, Animan, like that. We have seen all this. Tara Pratyaya, if it is Pullinga, it goes like Rama. If it is Strilinga, then Rama. If it is Napumsakalinga, like Gruha. So we will know just by looking at Tarap is there. If it is Pullinga, then Tara will remain. Guru Tara. Guru Tara, then it goes like Pullinga only. If it is Guru Tara, then it is Rama. If it is Guru Taram, then it is Napumsakalinga. Like that, as soon as we see the form, we will know what is the Linga and all. And based on that, we have to decline. So how to decline ES, Ian, Iansau, Iansaha? It goes like that. Iansam, Iansau, Iasaha, Vidya. It is same like Vidvans only. Vidvas, Vidvan, Vidvanso, Vidvansaha. Vidvansam, Vidvanso, Vidushaha. There Vidushaha comes. Tritiya onwards, Nadi, similar to Nadi Shabda. Manas Shabda. Manas Shabda is similar. No need of looking at even Nadi Shabda. Manas Shabda is same. Ramaha Shyamat Patutaraha. Here Panchami will come. That comparison is there. Therefore Panchami will come. Laghu Laghutaraha Laghiyan. Mahat Mahattaraha Mahiyan. Vidvas Vidvattaraha. Same rules for Atishayane Tamabhisthano also. So we have finished up to 59. Now we have to see Ajadyata stop. We'll see this one sutra only. Like for Rama Shabda is Pullinga. So the Pratipadika is also Rama only. So there we don't have to bring any other pratyas. But Rama, we need some Strilinga Shabda. If we want Strilinga Shabda, what kind of pratyaya we have to bring? ajadyatash tap. Tap pratyaya we have to bring. अजादिगणस्य शब्देभ्यः अकारान्त शब्देभ्यः च स्त्रीत्वं द्योतयितुं टाप् इति प्रत्ययः भवति. Ajadigana you can keep aside. Just akaranta shabda we can take. Akaranta shabda. Akaranta shabda we want to bring stri pratyaya. Then how we can bring how we should make strilinga with ta pratyaya. Like they have given khatva is the pratipadika. Khatva is not belongs to any linga so far because it is pratipadika only. It is akaranta shabda. Khatva is akaranta or akaranta? Can you hear me?
Akaranta.
Akaranta. Khatva is akaranta. So akaranta shabda we want to bring strilinga. Then tap pratyaya we have to bring by this sutra ajadyatash tap. In tap, a will remain. What happens to pakara and takara?
हलन्त्यं तस्य लोपः.
Ta?
चुटु.
Chutu.
By chutu, takara will get its sangna and lopa. Khatva plus a. By akaha savarne dirgaha, this khatva plus a becomes khatva. This is how pratipadika becomes strilinga shabda. Now khatva is also actually pratipadika only, like Rama shabda. But a shabda we are making as strilinga pratipadika with tap pratyaya, that is ajadyatash tap. Is it clear? There is nothing. We have to just bring a tap pratyaya for strilinga. It becomes a. Then khatva, like Rama. Ram is the dhatu, right? How Rama has come? Ram is the dhatu. Ram plus tap. What will remain here?
Ram and then
Sorry. Here tap pratyaya will not come because it is not ajadi. It is not akaranta shabda. Ram is not akaranta shabda. There could be some unadi sutra for that. This khatva is the good example. Khatva and tap. Khatva. We'll see another sutras and explanation in next class. I think we will be able to finish tomorrow. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Harihi Om.